Have you ever read about the quote by Joseph Edison? He said, "Reading is the most basic tool for achieving a better life." Edison argues that reading is a foundation that requires comprehensive self-development and improvement of human qualities as individuals. From Perpusnas, in 2024, I got an information that Indonesia's reading enthusiasm level, or TGM, or tingkat gemar membaca, in 2024 is 72.44%, up from 66.7% in the previous year. This information indicates positive progress in the reading interest of the Indonesian people. I'm really glad when I know that information, but I believe we can do more than that. The equitable access to reading materials and creative approaches are still needed to ensure that literacy culture continues to grow and that every Indonesian citizen can become friends with books through reading activities. Do you know that Frank Ocean once said, "If you want to be somebody, create it," which I interpret as meaning that if you want to become someone in particular category, you cannot just imagine and daydream. More than that, you must create it. As a young generation, we should not merely wait for a bright future to arrive on its own, but instead begin shaping that future as early as possible. We can start from now. During my time as a content creator, I've discovered about something new and interesting. I found out that my friends also have interest in books, but they don't know. They don't know what kind of book they actually want to read. Through this, I have recommended to them about the book I have read and explain a little bit about the books. Honestly, I really happy and grateful if I receive question about the books, so I can share about my experience, about my knowledge from that book I have learned before. The core meaning of action literacy is that books are not just for reading tools. They can inspire people to take action, like me. Many young people maybe have dreams, but sometimes they hesitate to take the first step. By using this idea of action literacy, I want to show how the knowledge gained from reading can be used to do the right thing. For example, a book on time management can encourage someone to become more productive, or a complex fiction novel can teach empathy and critical thinking. Good literacy skills are worthwhile long-term investment. I think it's a very, very good investment. Action literacy also can be used in concept of sustainable development goals, especially in point number 4, quality education. Under goal 4.6, it motivates young people to actively read and improve their literacy skills. Second, this idea is relevant to goal 4.4, as reading relevant books helps young people develop critical thinking, creativity, digital literacy, and self-initiative, skills that are crucial for the future. And or it can be an important part of target in 4.7, that action literacy, which will help young people build positive character and adaptive thinking. Every book that you read, every action that you do, I believe that it can be inspired to other people. The positive things that you reading book not only help individuals become more smart or more creative, but it can inspire other people to building a positive society. For the last but not least, action literacy is more than just reading campaign. It is an initiative that encourages young people to dare to dream, discover the hidden potential in every book, and dare to write their own future stories with the ink they gain from inspirations. And for young generation, I will say you make literacy is a tool that can help you achieving your better life, living your life, and reach your dream. I know you can. Let's read. Be bold, take action, make your dreams reality today. Thank you. I am Aisyah Jovanka Anggraini. See you next time.